What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about is another coin that I kind of touched on in the other video, but I really wanted to give an in-depth explanation of what it is. It's pretty much the next altcoin. That thing's going to 100x and it's literally insane, the stuff that they got planned for this coin. So we're going to talk about that in today's video. So if you do love coins and you love money in general and you love everything about crypto, subscribe to the channel and please leave a like on the video. It helps me out, the algorithm. And also I'm opening up my Discord for 1 day for free. So if you want to join, check it out down below in the description. I also have the paid chat. This is what it usually is. It usually costs $70, but it's free today. If you struggle finding the next plays and the next coins that are gonna pop, we basically do all that work for you and we make it really easy, and it's an awesome community. So join there. Also follow me on Instagram if you have any questions about crypto in general. Yeah, let's get into this video. So what are we talking about today? So like I said, I think this coin can 100x from this point right now. So like I got in at 0.00000000012 and right now we're sitting at around 0.30, and it's an easy bet because this one is different than any other coin. So what we're talking about is ZOOT token. Now like I said, I kind of touched on this in the other video like 2 days ago, but this coin basically has a betting system and it basically combines all the dog coins into one. Now their long-term plan, I believe, and I was talking to the devs yesterday, is obviously to be the hub for everything dog coins, right? Everything. It's going to combine them all into one. Like I said, they do have a betting system that you can bet on. Like, oh, I think Doge is going to do really good this day, or I think HOKK is going to do really good this day. Like, you can bet, earn rewards. It's pretty cool. And then they have a ZOOT ecosystem and the roadmap's absolutely insane. So like, I really do think that this coin is going to be the next big thing. I've been telling all my people about it in my paid Discord chat, and I got everybody into it. Like, it's literally such a bag. So many people have made money off this already, and I think we're still gonna go push new all-time highs like we did last night. This has been one of the only coins I've seen that's been green during a red market. It's very weird. So we'll see what happens, but I really do believe in this coin and I believe in the community. So I will check everything out in the description below. I have how to buy it, how to do everything. Obviously this isn't financial advice. I'm only holding really 3 big bags right now. Like I said, I think this is only the beginning. So we'll see what happens. I'm here to just give you this quick short video. I think ZOOT is gonna go crazy, and leave some comments down below what you think of this token if you're already in, or if you have any other tokens you want me to talk about. And like I said, subscribe to the channel if you love money and everything crypto. Check out my free Discord down below because I have everything in there if you're struggling finding these next plays because you want to capitalize on this bull run. Yeah, follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.